Next, see scope of variables in Python functions. Now we have seen we can write down any number of functions in a program. So see what is exactly how we can refer a scope. So suppose this is our one function show. This is one another function display. Now inside this function, suppose if I'm using one variable 10, here you're printing value of 10, means like printing value of n. Now we can't access this n variable over here because this variable is having local scope, means this variable is only accessible inside show function. You can't access it outside of this show function. So that is the scope, that is the boundary where we can use this variable. So the scope of variable depend upon the location where the variable is being declared. Okay, so variable is declared inside show function, so we can access it inside show function only. You can't access it outside show function because scope of that variable is local to show function. Okay, now in Python, variables are defined with two types of scopes: global variables and local variables. So this is a local variable what we have written right now. Now suppose if we define one variable over here, now this n we can access in show function also, and we can access in display function also, because it is having a global scope now. So simple words, you can say variable defined outside any function is known to have a global scope, whereas the variable defined inside a function is known to have a local scope, global scope and local scope. So see how we can use these scopes in our program. First of all, right now n is a variable which we declared here, so it's having a global scope. Okay, so here we are creating different n, means this n is not this n, so we'll keep value of this n as a 20. So this variable is with local scope. Okay, now here when we are printing n, this is with local scope, means it will print value of n as a 20, but here when we are printing n, it is referring to this global scope. Okay, and suppose we are printing this n over here also. Here we will call these two functions show and display. So see outcome right now, it prints 10 from this n, so this n is referring to this global scope. This 20 is coming from here because this n is, in fact if you check here, you are getting warning also here that this shadows n from outer scope here. Okay, this n hides this n. So print n, so it is printing this value because it is referring to local scope now. And when you call display function, once again value is 10 because here it is referring to this global scope. Now suppose here in this show function, if you want to refer this n, okay, in this function if you want to refer this n, you can use one keyword, that is global. Okay, so when you say global n, global is a keyword, and when you say global n, this n will be a global now. Okay, this n will be a global scope n, means this n is this n now. So now see output. Now in this case, third time also we are getting 20. Why? Because when you say print n, this is this n. When you call show function, here this, because of this global keyword, this n is also referring to this n. Now you are modifying value 20, printing. Now once again you are calling display. Now n's value is modified, so here it is also printing 20 here. So this is how we can refer scopes as a global or local. If you define variable inside a function, it is having a local scope. If you define variable outside any function, it is having a global scope. And if in a function, if you want to use global variable, you can refer it by using global keyword also. So that's regarding with scope of variables in Python functions.